Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today I'm gonna show you what's happening on the Bitcoin price, because yesterday we had the FOMC meeting which reported the 25 basis point, and guys, it happened as I was waiting for. We saw massive pump for the Bitcoin price over $29,000. Right now we are standing at $28,900, and the reason of that is because we found big rejection here at the area of $29,350, which, as I told you yesterday guys, this is very significant resistance which is forming on the weekly time frame, and we need actually to surpass this resistance to actually consider the scenario more bullish. Okay, and it seems that we found rejection here, and that's why right now we are standing under $29,000 again. So on this video guys, I'm gonna give you exactly what I believe is gonna happen as the next move with price targets, because the most important part of the current scenario, of the current situation, is this 4-hour time frame symmetrical triangle, and this is gonna break under 24 hours. And if this is gonna break guys, we're gonna move big as the next move of the Bitcoin. So if you want to see the next move of the Bitcoin according to the technical side, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to declare you that I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before any kind of investment. And also would like to show you guys my Patreon channel, where here you're gonna find low cap gems with massive potential for 100x, even up to 1000x. Okay, and not only obviously low cap gems, you're gonna find mid cap gems, high cap gems with massive potential. But the most important part of this VIP soldier group is that you're gonna have access to buy signals, sell signals, stake signals, access to my whole portfolio. You're gonna have access to my all strategies, the strategies that I followed in the previous bull run, and I made crazy wealth. And guys, if you don't have a strategy, you're gonna wrecked out. Okay, you're gonna get wrecked. You need to have a strategy, and here I follow a very smart strategy how to invest on altcoins and make crazy return in bitcoins. So also you're gonna have access to that. But the most important part of this group is this Telegram VIP community, where here you're gonna have a fun family. You won't be alone on this journey. You're gonna find people with the same purpose, with the same goals like you, to become wealthy. And here on this group guys, multimillionaires included. Obviously I'm not gonna say who is who, but you're gonna have help from other guys who have already succeeded on this space, and especially me like Chris. Whenever you're gonna ask a question, I'm trying to reply that as fast as possible. And also I'm preparing guys live streams to educate every VIP soldier who's gonna join in this group through my from my experience and my knowledge. Okay, because I have seen 2 bull runs with my eyes. I made crazy mistakes, and my goal here is to actually help you to avoid the mistakes. So subsequently, if you avoid the mistakes, you're gonna become super wealthy. Okay, this is the point, and it's highly recommended to join, especially before the altcoin season. And without losing more time, let's get back to our analysis, because here you're gonna see some significant resistance to supports, and then we're gonna move into this symmetrical triangle. Initially guys, we have very strong support. The $29,350, $60 is around this area here, and to actually consider a very bullish situation, the Bitcoin price of the current situation that is standing, we will need to surpass and stay above the $29,350. And to happen this scenario, we will need to close the daily candle above this massive green line, which it seems that before a couple hours we found big rejection here. That's why right now we are standing under $29,000 again. But this is not the major problem, because as I show you here, we're forming a symmetrical triangle. And guys, do not also neglect that we are over this massive daily resistance, which is this blue line, and this is a bullish indication too. Okay, but if also we're gonna surpass this green line, this is gonna be super bullish, because I believe if we're gonna get again at $30,500, I believe this time we're gonna break it, and here we're gonna form a higher high price action for the Bitcoin. And if we're gonna break guys this massive resistance, I believe we're gonna get straight to 33 within $34,000 area, and everybody gonna be shocked. Okay, because nobody right now believe that we can get up that high. I personally believe that because Bitcoin start reacting on the bad economy and start pubbing and decoupling from the SP 500 and from the stock market, which is very positive for the adoption of the Bitcoin. Okay, this is why I switched from super bearish that was before a couple months into neutral, and I'm waiting to see this confirmation, because if I see this kind of confirmation, I'm gonna flip into super bullish. Okay, also let's speak for this very important 4-hour time frame symmetrical triangle, because you're gonna see that this forming perfectly. We have two touch points on the support exactly here and two touch points on the resistance, and we are waiting to see the next touch point, which according to my opinion it's gonna break this symmetrical triangle. I'm gonna give you guys the technical price targets of this symmetrical triangle just to know where we're gonna get if we're gonna break. You can clearly see that this has a technical price target if we're gonna break the resistance at $31,500. Okay, and if we're gonna break to the downside, we have a technical price target which is back to very low number, $26,313. I'm gonna also put an orange box here. So this is the two technical price targets for the Bitcoin price. If you ask my opinion, I believe that this symmetrical triangle is gonna break to the upside. I give 70% of odds to this scenario and 30% of odds to break to the downside, because also here we have a very strong $28,000 daily support, which if you remember from here, when we saw this kind of a fake out, I told you that the next day there is a big probability, if we close the daily candle above the $28,000, to bounce to the upside, as it happened. Okay, I call that fake out, that I won't shocked if we're gonna bounce from that price again over $28,500. Okay, so right now let's see how we're gonna close this symmetrical. In the next 24 hours this is gonna break, so we are waiting to see where we're gonna break that. And also Dixie, guys, before a couple hours moved into the area of $100. Okay, and right now it's standing at $101. But before a couple hours we reached under to $101. So right now it seems that have some strength and push the price a little bit upwards. So that's why maybe we saw some dump on the Bitcoin price, plus this rejection that we got here on this weekly resistance. But it is what it is. Okay, this is exactly what I would like to tell you. Let's see how we're gonna break this symmetrical triangle, and I'm gonna update you guys in my next video. So until then, your boy Chris is out. Bye.